Dude, what?
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah, really.
What?
And the police officer's pulling out to get him.
Go get him, go get him, go get him.
Wow.
I hope I see him pulled over.
Yep, there he goes.
Oh, that guy came along.
Wow.
I'm clapping.
Karma.
Oh, the police officer saw me. I wasn't doing it for I was clapping for the police officer. I'm like, that was dangerous. That was stupidity.
Hit a tire, hit a tire. Hit a tire, hit a tire. There's a tire. What's up?
Fuck.
Whoa. You hit a tire. Wow.
Fuck.
Yeah, that was scary.
Fuck. Cars are gonna come flying at us.
I know, here, stay here though.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Close the door.
Fuck.
Close the door. Yeah, we hit a tire.
Fuck.
Middle of nowhere.
Fuck.
Wow.
Fuck.
Yeah, lucky we didn't roll. Wow. Woo! We hit a tire, for sure.
Fuck. Yeah, that was fucking.
Did you feel it?
Yeah, I felt it.
It was a bump.
Yep, boom.
And that car, I think that car lost
hit
the tire.
that car too. Fuck, that car hit the fucking tire too, I'm sure.
Wow.
Oh my fucking...
Wow. Oh my God. I got that on video.
Yeah, oh my God. Holy
Oh my God.
Oh my God, wow.
That is crazy.
Wait, is your GoPro on? I thought I heard it bang. Yep, it's rolling.
Oh God, that was loud.
Wait, hold on, nothing. Let me double check it. Is it rolling? Yep, okay, it is. I'm just double checking. Oh my God, damn.
Oh, that was right in front of us.
That was brutal.
I'm putting that on my YouTube channel.
That was brutal.
That was scary. That made my heart jump.
Yeah, a little bit. My lungs are still feeling that. Holy shit.
We're right.
My fucking God.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
I'm very sorry.
Holy shit. I got you.
final? Or just semi-formal?
No, I am. I'm just not looking forward to getting ready. I want somebody to do it for me. Just come do my hair and makeup.
Hold on. What the fuck, dude? Sorry, yes, the guy was being a dumbass. He didn't get in the turn lane, but in a straight lane wanted to turn, so he just stopped.
I can't ever remember. He won in 2 moves? He 8 balls?
Oh.
What? Oh, they just hit the curb, but they're still going.
Okay.
Oh, and they just hit the curb again. Ooh, that was bad.
Okay.
Are you sending someone?
Yep, I have to file up here, okay?
Okay, yeah. I'm definitely concerned that they're gonna crash into somebody. I think they've damaged the car quite a bit.
Where's the damage?
They're pulling over as well.
You know, I'm sorry, but I'm not very inspired by this. Or the pizza thing. I have to tell you. I know that we're supposed to find common ground and all that kind of stuff, but...
Oh, God.
When you've got... people...
You can't, but I can't. I don't really like alcohol that much either, like no more.
Motherfucker.
Nope, no! I'm sorry, Brandon.
Shit.
Then you want to...
Do you want to be on dashcam time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video descriptions. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information for your incident and then submit. It's really that easy.